We are doing cooking dinner, baked potato bar.
All right, guys, come with me to Kroger's. We're gonna pick up a few things. Oh, I hate these baskets. Kroger's. We're gonna pick up some potatoes because we're doing a potato bar. So here are the potatoes. All right, here's my basket. Let's get out of here. Got some lemonade. Let's get out of here. All right, let's make dinner. So today we're gonna do baked potato bar. So I have my potatoes, butter, cheese, bacon bits, and I'm gonna do some shredded chicken. So if you want to have like chicken in your potato, I'm gonna take a few of these pieces, and I'm also making lunch for tomorrow. Again, I'm gonna do my baked potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and already wash them off. Again, baked potato bar. Here's my chopped up chicken for the potatoes if you want to add chicken to your potato. All right, so the potato bar, here's the cheese. A little bit of cheese. You can add cheese if you like. A little bit of bacon bits. If you like. Bacon bits. Here's the butter. So we're doing our potato bar. Put some here. And some butter. Some sour cream. We're doing a potato bar. Put the sour cream right there. Just in case anybody wants some sour cream. Here is the chicken. So if you want chicken on your potato, you can have some chicken. I think I'm gonna put the chicken right here, just in case anybody want to add chicken to their potato. Anybody want to add chicken to their potato? Some spoon there. Yeah. All right, so we're doing the baked potatoes. So bar, there's the chicken, the bacon bits, the butter, cheese, and sour cream. So here are the potatoes before they get dressed. She's so sweet. So it's not the prettiest, but it hit the spot. So this is a baked potato with chicken, bacon bits, sour cream. All right. So we're trying the sweet tea by Kroger's peach. So cheers, guys. Not that bad. Mine's probably needs to be a little bit sweeter, but scale 1 to 10. Not that bad.
Yeah, it's not. I had like 6.
I'll probably give it a 7.
6.5.
Kroger's decaf sweet tea. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Next video is coming up.